Worship enthusiasts and newbies, welcome back in the rabbit hole of cow shapes. Finally, PAA Doppelganger Continuum number 2 is coming. So, this set was sent to me by Fran and Douglas over at Phoenix Shaving for review purposes. And this is the long-awaited second part in a running series that Fran has spearheaded to introduce all of us to fragrances. And this one pays homage to Creed's 1999 release of Green Valley. It's since been discontinued as of 2020. We're going to get right into the multi-speed shave. We're going to do some voiceover work, talk into this, and give you my thoughts and opinions. Going with the TRA razor I just bought from my buddy Mike over at Long Island Shaving. About a day's worth of growth, which isn't much for me. Got her all lathered up in my, what the hell is this? This is my Amber Aero Light. Lather all made up in my Philip Sharp. Get right into it, talking about the scent notes, a little bit of the history, about how scent notes work, and then the post with my opinions of this particular scent. So stick around. Let's briefly talk about the history of Creed as taken from Wikipedia. I'm quoting, "The company was supposedly originally founded as a tailoring house in London, England in 1760 by James Henry Creed. It has boutiques in Paris, London, New York City, Beverly Hills, Sydney, Dubai, Kuwait City, Vienna, Manila, Cebu City, Mexico City, Milan, Miami, and Dallas, in addition to stands in high-end retailers across the world. The current generation of creative directors consists of Oliver Creed and his son, Erwin Creed." We're going to get into their mainstream success, again as quoted from Wikipedia. Creed's mainstream breakthrough success came in the mid-1980s with the fresh fougere fragrance Green Irish Tweed in 1985. After Cary Grant died in 1986, Creed's advertising made claims that Grant wore it. Around this time, their advertising began to feature many long-dead celebrities attempting to lend pedigree to the fledgling brand. The first trademark for Creed perfume was registered in 1979 in France. Creed's marketing masterpiece, the fragrance Aventus 2010, has seen good commercial success. Erwin Creed stated that the popularity of Aventus enabled Creed to open its New York boutique location. Quoting now from information provided by Douglas and Fran at Phoenix Shaving, "The House of Creed is known for crafting iconic fragrances like Aventus and Green Irish Tweed, but among these giants lies a forgotten gem, Green Valley. Released in 1999, this fragrance captured the hearts of enthusiasts with its vibrant freshness, subtle spice, and refined depth. Though discontinued, its legacy endures, making it a prime candidate for rediscovery." The story behind the scent. Created by Oliver Creed, Green Valley was inspired by his love of nature and passion for golf, a sport he played at the highest level as a former member of the French national golf team, 1984. The fragrance reflects this connection, blending elements of crisp greens, citrus, and warm, musky depth into a composition that is both refreshing and sophisticated. Fragrance profile. Top notes, bergamot and mandarin. Middle notes, black currant and ginger. Base notes, ambergris and musk. Green Valley was discontinued around 2020, leaving behind a devoted following eager for its return. Today, bottles command between $1,500 and $2,500 on resale markets, a testament to its enduring appeal. Reached out to Douglas Smythe to better understand the top, middle, and base notes of a scent and how it blooms, and this is in part what he had to say. "When you first apply it, it's bloomed. Then comes dry down, meaning when you first apply it, you get top notes, heart, and base notes. Slowly they fade in that order. It's like a 3-act play. Different notes and characters appear during the day. This is why a citrus scent is hard to make long-lasting and why they're always in the top notes, because they are the first to fade. Some notes are also fixtures, like benzoin, It is a natural fixer and helps keep the scents alive longer. It also adds a creamy, almost vanilla type note. Still quoting from Douglas Smythe, "My advice, never critique a scent until you wear it. The missing note is you. Body chemistry is such a huge part of what makes a fragrance, so never go by first sniff off the tub. Also, it takes a few days for your body to understand it." So, we got her all cleaned out. Just a few small weepers. Again, I rarely ever do 2 days in a row back to back. My hair grows very slowly, both on my head and on my face. And this really isn't a review of the razor. I want to do that another time. But the Doppelganger Continuum number 2 that pays homage to Creed Green Valley. CK6 formula, of course. Gonna go with the matching aftershave splash. Now, I didn't take the alum, but definitely a fair bit of burn there with the alcohol in that aftershave. And now, I didn't get it just the first time aftershave with this particular set, but in the truck I did try the aftershave, and what I did following Mike of Long Island Shaving is I actually put a bit in the back of my hand. And as you guys know, I'm a tracker. So, just trying to get experience this and get a feel for it as I'm going down the road, as this gets more air. For me, and this is nothing against PA, this particular scent, it's not for me. I know a lot of guys will love it. This particular scent is not for me. Now, that being said and done, with learning about top, middle, and bottom notes from Doug, what I found, as I was going down the road in the truck, give this some time, the scent, as the top notes dissipate and some of the middle notes dissipate, then I discovered a scent in there that I really did enjoy. But at first, for even the first hour or so, it's just not for me. That's nothing personal, or nothing personal against PA, just my own personal opinion, but this scent is not, it's hard to articulate for me. It doesn't have the depth and darkness that, or the dark notes that I really liked in Doppelganger number 1. Even that one, it took a few minutes, but this one, I find it actually took a couple of hours before, like I said, those top notes and those middle notes dissipated enough to get to the musk down at the bottom that I really do like. But I think a lot of guys are going to enjoy this, just as it's not my thing. So definitely, when it comes out, check it out, and I think you'll be very happy. Of course, you'll be happy with the performance because it's top notch. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a great one, and we're going to see you guys real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.